Welcome to Mathotropism. In this video, we are going to see about addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So when we are adding or subtracting the rational numbers, we need to follow a few steps. If the denominators are the same, then add or subtract the numerators. So given rational numbers, if they have the same denominator, you just need to add or subtract the numerators. So for example, if we have 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5, then we can write the denominator as the same 5 and the numerator will be the addition of 2 and 1, which is 3. If it is given as 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, then it is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 5. Next we will take examples where the denominators are co-prime. That means what? Both are numbers which have the common factor only as 1. So if that is the case, then we need to just multiply each fraction with the denominator of the other fraction both in the numerator and denominator, so that we can make both the denominators as the same and then add the numerators. So for example, if we have 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, then 2 by 3 into the opposite side's denominator is 5. So 2 into 5 by 3 into 5 plus similarly 1 by 5 will be multiplied by the denominator of the other fraction, which is equal to 3. So 1 into 3 by 5 into 3, which gives 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So if now denominators have become the same, so we need to just add the numerators. So it will come as 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13 by 15. Similarly, if it is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5, the same process of multiplying 2 by 3 both in the denominator and numerator with 5 and subtracting with 1 by 5 multiplied by 3. So here it becomes 10 by 15 minus 3 by 15. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 by 15 is the answer. To easily remember this step, we need to just remember the arrow marks, where if I write 2 by 3 and 1 by 5 next to each other, I will put arrow marks in such a way that 2 and 5 is multiplied with 2, 3 is getting multiplied with 1, and we have to write the denominator as 3 into 5. So these three arrow marks, if we remember, then automatically we can remember that 2 into 5 minus 1 into 3 divided by 5 into 3 will be my fraction. Next, if one of the denominator is the multiple of the other, then it means that we need to convert the original one into the multiple or equivalent fraction with the same denominators. So for example, it is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 9 means 3 is a factor of 9. That means 9 is a multiple of 3 which comes in the 3 table. Hence, we need to just multiply the factor which is going to convert 3 into 9. So what multiplied by 3 gives me 9? It is 3. So hence 2 into 3 by 3 into 3 plus 1 by 9. It is nothing but we are converting the 2 by 3 into the equivalent fraction of denominator 9. So 6 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is equal to 7 by 9. Finally, if the denominators are different and have common factors other than 1, then we need to find the LCM of the denominators, and after finding the LCM, each denominator we will find the factor with which it has to be multiplied to get the LCM. The same factor we will multiply with the numerator also, make all the denominators as the same, and then add or subtract the numerators. So for example, if I take 2 by 25 plus 1 by 35. So here first we need to find the LCM of 25 and 35. When we see the factors of 25, we have 5 into 5 and 35 is 5 into 7, and we get the LCM as 5 into 5 into 7, which is 175. Now when we are trying to make the denominators as the same number, if we take 25, what is the factor which is not there in 25 but there in the LCM 175? It is that 7. So we will be multiplying the fraction 2 by 25 both in the numerator and denominator with 7. Similarly, when we take for the denominator 35, the factors of 35 are 5 into 7 and the extra factor which is there in the LCM is 5. Hence, we are going to multiply 1 by 35 both in the numerator and denominator with 5. So, as a result, 2 into 7 by 25 into 7 plus 1 into 5 by 35 into 5, which is equal to 14 by 175 plus 5 by 175. Since both denominators have become the same, we just need to add the numerators. So it will come as 14 plus 5, which is equal to 19 by 175. Let us take another example of minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus of 5 by 6. Here again we have three different denominators and we have common factors between 3 and 6. So what we will do is we will take the LCM of 3, 5 and 6. So for 3 the factors are 3 into 1, for 5 it is 5 into 1, for 6 it is 3 into 2. So the LCM will be 3 into 5 into 2, which comes to 30. Now again we will write 30 in terms of all the denominators and their factors which give 30. So the first denominator is 3. 3 into 10 gives me 30. 5 into 6 gives me 30 and 6 into 5 gives me 30. So when we are taking minus 2 by 3, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. When I take the denominator of 5, I will multiply both 3 into 6 and also 5 into 6 get the 30. And the last fraction minus 5 by 6, I will be multiplying with 5 to get the denominator as 30. So the equivalent fractions in terms of denominator with 30 becomes minus 20 by 30 plus 18 by 30 plus of minus 25 by 30. I just need to add the numerators. So minus 20 plus 18 minus 25. So that comes to positive terms together and all the negative terms together. So it comes to minus 45 plus 18 by 30, which is minus 27 by 30. If I do the simplification of this fraction, it comes to minus 9 by 10. So take the LCM, find the factor for each denominator which converts them into the LCM and multiply the numerator with the same factor as that we have multiplied in the denominator. So after converting each and every one into an equivalent fraction, we just have to add and subtract the numerators. Thank you.